guys, this is Trader Sabran here, and we are on week 15 trying to look at Euro USD. Right now, we can see that Euro USD on the daily is heading higher and higher. Okay, this is beautiful. Now, what that means is that we should be looking for more opportunity to catch the buys, but we have a problem here. We have something we need to pay attention to. And that's why I am trying to do the analysis so you guys can pay attention to what I have to say. Okay, look at this. First of all, we have this high created. Okay, previous high. Okay, but this high has not been broken, and we have the previous low. So we have a previous low, which is this low, and it has not been broken. Now, remember, this is a daily time frame. We're looking at daily time frame, all right? So let's go over now we see this, two things here. We just see this clearly that this is what is going on, and we also have a beautiful, beautiful trend line over here. So now with these instructions here, with this information we have, let's go over to the other side, which is 4-hour time frame. Now, for those of you swinging, before I go to 4-hour time frame, for those of you trading using swing trading, these are the position you need to focus on. The first thing is understand that the market could do anything at any time, so there's no guarantee. Okay, but here's what I want you to pay attention to. You see this zone where price rejected multiple times and then came back and then acted and then pushed back or break through and then came back all the way to test it and broke again above it and stay above it. That is the area where we have a problem. Now, you want to wait as a swing trader, you want to wait for price to come out of this zone, okay, above, and then look for buy. So what that means is if price break above this high, taking out this previous high, you wait for pullback. And then, guys, sorry about that. I have a lot of stuff running on my system, so that noise is just coming in. So you have this pullback and then go up, then you come back. Now, on this zone, we have a trend line. So we want to wait for price to break that trend line, and not only the trend line, and break below this key area. And then before we'll now look for possible retracement and a sell. Now, this is on a higher time frame. So, you know, when you start seeing price playing around these zones, you go to your lower time frame and look at possible opportunities to sell or buy. Now, let's go there to 4-hour time frame and let me show you what I mean. Now, on the 4-hour time frame, we can see exactly what the market has done. Now, this is the area we're looking at right now in week 15. We already see price have this high, which is not be broken. So on the 4-hour, we can equally adjust this candle or put another, sorry, leave that there. All right, and then put another trend, another line just to create a high. Okay, so we have another line to create that high there. So we have this high there, too high. So we want that zone to be broken. So now, what we're looking for is this low. You will sell when market break this low. If market drop, break this low. Remember, this zone is coming from daily. This trend line is coming from daily. So you want to watch out for price breaking this zone and then pull back and you look for sell. Target this zone, and you're out. Now, this week, you might just need only 1 trade or 2 trade and you're done for the week. So don't get it clustered, you know, don't get it clustered. So it's very important that you trade what is possible and just don't over trade. Now, on the upper side, when we're looking at a buy, which price is trying to reject at this trend line. So we'll watch out for price to push up. Now, break a counter trend line. Now, you may not see that. For those of you day traders, this is what you look at for. You want to look at for price breaking this counter trend line. So there's a counter trend line here, which I would personally put there, and then wait for price to break above it, and then first take profit, and then second take profit up there. Now, what I mean by that is let's say I go to the 1 hour time frame. I have to catch this trade on the 1 hour time frame. I'll be looking for price to break this counter trend line. This one here. I'll wait for price to break it because it's just too obvious, isn't it? So I'll wait for price to break above it. Remember this trend line, if it break below it, I'll be waiting. Okay, you can see I'll be waiting on price action. Day traders, I'll be waiting for price action to break this low. These are the multiple low that they created. I want price to break below that and then push up and then drop. I'll begin to say and make this place my first target, wait for another pullback and target the low that we have there, you know. So those are the day trader experience, trade that you want to look into. Okay, I'll be looking at targeting before I would start targeting this next one, targeting this zone here, you know, target the zone here. All right, again, that's another beautiful target to sell if you want to sell at that level and all of that. So that's how you want to look at it. But at the moment, on the 1 hour time frame, it still looks very bullish. So what you want to do is to maintain this counter trend line. You want this counter trend line to be maintained, or it should break it. If you break this counter trend line and push up, or break it, take out liquidity at this zone, wait for a pullback, all right, and then buy. That's it. And then take out, you see, they are going to take out this liquidity here anyways. So, and then you target this area for your first take profit or whatever you want to do before watching out for price action again, any pullback to the trend line, and then take it back up. That's what you want to do on EU this week 15. And also watch out for news. There are a lot of news coming in. So, but let me show you what I think about some other information I have on Euro USD concerning fundamentals. I haven't looked at the technical now. We're going to look at the fundamentals. So on the fundamental, there's going to be a little bit of struggle on Euro USD this week. You will need to watch out for it. There might be a struggle because there's been a struggle anyways on Euro USD. Euro USD have not been moving that nice this week. So this previous week that just ended. So this week coming up, we should expect more of the push up. Yeah, because at the moment we see that the COT data is a bit high, is almost 70%. So that means the big guys are buying US dollars. So if they're buying US dollars, then euro again. This is confusing because the US dollars, all right, the big guys are buying, they're buying 69%. And euro, we still have some of the big guys buying euro 73%. So you can see where the problem is. That's why I said there's a little problem that euro is going to have this week. But whichever way, it's still like more like they're sharing like 50-50 of the market. So there's going to be a little bit of conflict. So even though you're trading, and be very careful. Because of a lot of manipulations, a lot of control will be in the market because of this data I just shared with you. But overall, it's looking bullish. The market wants to head to maybe about 1.1. Where's that? Yeah, towards 1.1 around this zone. The market is heading over, yeah, this key area. So the market wants to head up to this key area. So expect price to come up here for the week and then wait for price action to see eventually what will happen. So that's what I have for you guys this week. The trend looks bullish, and even though it's a sell trend, it looks more like a sell now on the lower time frame, but it's rounding up to be bullish. So we see that previous highs have been taken out. This high was taken out on this one, so we have this one taken out by that one. So we have this highs taken up. So already we are on the uptrend on the 1 hour time frame. So for day traders, you should be able to look for more buys, but be careful because of what I just shared with you on the data, COT data. All right, guys, thank you so much. And that's exactly it. If you are watching for the first time, you haven't hit your subscribe button, what are you waiting for? These are the kind of information you'll be getting every week. We come in every week to share this information with you on what to expect in the next trading week. So this is very, very timely information. You need it, and you better subscribe. And also join us on the Telegram group. In my Telegram group, I normally share the daily analysis of what I'm looking at in the market and how I intend to trade. So if you want to join us there, it's free. You don't need to pay anything. Get in there and join us. Plus, I want to encourage you guys, and I want to inform you also, I do not do account management. I do not do crypto buying and selling, investment or crypto. I don't do that. So I want you to know that I am just a trader. I trade, and I have programs which is called mentorship for people who wants to learn. That's it. So if you are in any Telegram group where someone is scamming you, asking you to send money in, and for investment, account management, trading for you with a bot, all of this stuff, no, I don't do that. So that's not me. That's a scammer who is actually using my name, my ID. They're everywhere now. You can search. They're everywhere. They're just using my name and my ID to harness people from around the world, which is wrong. So, but guys, be careful, okay? If it is not Trader C Brown, it is not Trader C Brown. So trust me. All right. Thank you, guys. And then happy trading week coming week 15. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.